Introducing Journey to the Chess Kingdom, a practical chess game tutorial. This is the first book by Buro Gorbunov Publishing that is not related to design. Its authors are Grandmaster Yuri Averbakh and Master Mikhail Beilin. Let's look at the Two Rooks versus King chapter. It's about checkmating the opponent's king in the center of the chessboard with two rooks. With the position of chess pieces on the chessboard to the right, it's impossible to checkmate with two rooks. Let's check. No go. The authors advise not to be upset because the task is too much even for the world champion. The fact is, the king is always able to get away from the attack in the center of the chessboard, so you need to push it to the edge. Paper chess books usually show the original position of chess pieces and the step-by-step recording of the moves. The reader has to imagine all the moves or repeat them on a real chessboard. In our book, all the moves are visualized, so it's much easier to keep track of the game and explanations. Here, we can see that it's easy to checkmate with two rooks if the opponent's king is at the edge of the chessboard. One rook does not allow the king to escape, and the other one attacks him. Then we see a combination with the opponent's king in the center of the chessboard. The rooks alternately check and push the king to the edge of the board. Note how visualizations on the page helps to keep track of the game. This example will help us to do the exercise on the next spread. In this exercise, the reader applies methods from the examples and learns to act independently in similar situations. On the left, you need to checkmate in one move. Let's try. Seems simple. On the right, you need to find several ways to checkmate in two moves. Check. Still check. Didn't work. One more time. Let's recall the technique from the previous spread where the king was pushed to the edge. It worked. The widget shows that there is one other way to checkmate. No. Try again. Excellent! We checkmated in two ways. Thus, the reader does the rest of the exercise. On the left, he checkmates in two moves when the opponent is already at the edge of the chessboard. The most difficult part is on the right, a checkmate in four moves in two ways. Then the reader moves to the next chapter, Queen versus King.